Why use Netflix? Netflix is one of the most popular and versatile streaming services, offering a vast library of movies, TV shows, original series, and documentaries. It provides ad-free streaming, personalized recommendations, and multi-device support, making it a great choice for entertainment lovers. Here are the top reasons why you should use Netflix. 1. Wide selection of TV shows and movies. Netflix offers a massive collection of Hollywood blockbusters, classic films, international movies, and trending TV shows. Popular series available on Netflix include Breaking Bad, Stranger Things, Squid Game, Bridgerton, The Crown, You. The library is updated regularly with new releases. Second, award-winning Netflix originals. Netflix produces high-quality original content including drama and thriller, The Witcher, Ozark, The Night Agent. Comedy, Emily in Paris, Never Have I Ever, Big Mouth. Sci-fi and fantasy, Stranger Things, Black Mirror, The Sandman. Reality shows, Love is Blind, Too Hot to Handle. International hits, Money Heist, La Casa de Papel, Squid Game. Netflix's original films and series often win Emmy and Academy Awards. Third, no ads, except the ad-supported plan. Netflix offers ad-free streaming with its standard and premium plans. The standard with ads plan provides a more affordable option with some interruptions. Fourth, multiple subscription plans for different needs. Standard with ads, budget-friendly 1080p HD, ads included. Standard plan, 1080p HD, ad-free, 2 simultaneous streams. Premium plan, 4K Ultra HD, plus HDR, Dolby Atmos, ad-free, 4 simultaneous streams. Netflix allows you to choose a plan that fits your budget and streaming preferences. 5. Personalized recommendations and user profiles. Netflix's AI-based algorithm suggests movies and shows based on your viewing history. You can create up to 5 user profiles, ensuring each family member gets personalized recommendations. 6. Multi-device streaming and offline viewing. Netflix works on smart TVs, streaming devices, Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, gaming consoles, mobile phones, and tablets. Download content for offline viewing on mobile devices with the standard and premium plans. 7. Exclusive global and international content. Netflix has a strong library of international content, including Korean dramas, K-dramas, Squid Game, The Glory, Crash Landing on You, Spanish language hits, Money Heist Elite, Bollywood and Asian cinema, RRR Delhi Crime. 8. Family and kid-friendly content. Netflix offers a dedicated kids section with parental controls. Includes animated favorites like Peppa Pig, Pokemon, and Cocomelon. Popular Netflix animated films include Klaus, The Sea Beast, and Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio. Who should use Netflix? Movie and TV show fans. One of the largest libraries of on-demand content. Original series enthusiasts. Home to critically acclaimed Netflix originals. Families and kids. Offers a safe, kid-friendly experience with parental controls. International content lovers. A great platform for K-dramas, anime, and global hits. Ad-free streaming seekers. Unlike other platforms, Netflix offers ad-free plans. Netflix remains one of the best streaming services due to its high-quality original programming, diverse content library, multiple plan options, and global reach. Whether you enjoy thrillers, romantic dramas, reality TV, or international series, Netflix has something for everyone.